Okay, so welcome back. Today we're going to actually begin to code our bot. This is just setting up all the files. The bot won't actually come online or do anything in this yet. So the first thing you're gonna need to do is install Node. If you haven't already, node.js is what we'll be using because this is Discord.js. You're going to want to go to this website here, link is in the description, and you're going to get the current latest feature. Just click on it, run through the installation process. This works on Windows and Mac, by the way. It doesn't make a difference. Once you've installed that, we can then go and open the terminal. You don't have to do this via the terminal. And cd desktop. We're going to make a directory, call it like bot. I've already got one called bot, so I'm going to call mine YT bot. You can call it whatever you want. Bot. And so if you have Node installed, you should be able to do npm init, and it will do some stuff. And then just click like enter a few times until it says, is this okay? Yes, and then just click yes. So that's done. Now we're going to have to open the bot. So open code and actually start writing it. So to do this, I would recommend Atom. It can be found at atom.io. You can install Atom. I like this software. Another good one is Visual Studio Code. A lot of people actually prefer that. Link is also in the description. This works, both of them work on Mac and Windows and Linux, I believe, as well. So on Mac, I'm not sure if you can do this on Windows, but figure out a way to open it on. So we're gonna go ahead and open up Atom. And all this should be blurred, I don't know, this is just my other bot. We're gonna go open. We're gonna open so we're just gonna open our project. If you're not sure how to do this, then I don't know, Google a tutorial on how to use Atom or thing. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put like Control S or Command S or whatever, save it as index.js, and we should have this package.json file as well from earlier. Now we're going to go back in here and we're going to get npm I discord.js save, type in that command, and we're going to get Discord. So you should see now that there is now a package lock.json and also a node modules folder. And it will say here dependencies Discord.js. This is what we're going to be actually using to communicate with the Discord API. Now we can actually start to write some code. I know I said we wouldn't do it in this episode, but we are. I'm going to say const. If you don't know how to, by the way, we're using JavaScript. If you don't know a good amount of JavaScript, I'd recommend learning this first. So const Discord equals require. This is a thing in Node. Require discord.js. I'm going to put a semicolon at the end. And then we're going to say const client equals new discord.client. And we're going to have client.login with little brackets here. In order to know what to put in these brackets, we're going to have to go back to Google Chrome and we're going to have to go to bot. Now here we have a token, and the token you must always keep secret. This is the only thing that allows people to log into your bot. If someone got the token for a very well-known and well-used bot such as Me6 or DankMima, they could destroy millions of servers because they would just get access to make the bot do whatever they want. So this token that you see, I'm going to regenerate it. But this is just basic. I'm going to copy, paste in the token, and that is done. By the time you get this out, this token will be different. And now we're going to say bot on ready, comma, brackets like that, and like this. And we're just going to say console log ready. Sorry, we're also going to type async right there. Now we're going to go back to terminal. We're going to say node index. Just node index. Sorry, not bot.on, it's client.on. It's called client. I'm not very good at this apparently. Node index. And it just says ready. Now if we go to Discord, we're going to see that our bot is online. It doesn't do anything. I can't like it won't respond to that. But if I ping it, it won't do anything. But it's online. That's all we have for today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.